sides. His sister, not as much. Some days she'll like him, and the spots he enjoys changes. So today it's the front. And he can feel everything that touches his shell.
That's so cute. I've never seen a tortoise.
So his shell is made out of keratin, the same stuff your fingernails and hair are made out of. Oh my goodness, Jumbo. Ridiculous. And the reason he's able to feel this is his spine runs along the top and it's fused to his shell, so there's a bunch of nerve endings that go throughout his body. And so he can feel everything.
That is so such a good picture.
No, not the back today. I want the front.